Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to check the warranty on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now in this website, just tap on the three lines over here, then tap on support. And on this page, you will find the option of authenticity and activation date inquiry. Just tap on it. Now in this section, just enter your IMEI number. To get your IMEI number, just go to your home screen and open Settings. From here, just tap on About Device, then tap on Status, and from here you will find the IMEI number of your smartphone. Just tap and hold on the IMEI number to copy it. And if you cannot find the IMEI number of your smartphone over here, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app. And from here, just dial *#06#, and from here you will find the IMEI numbers of your smartphone. And after you copy the IMEI number, then go back to the web browser app and paste the copied IMEI number over here. Then tap on check. Now just complete this verification process. And from here you will find the name and the model of your Oppo phone. And beneath that, you will find the IMEI number and the color of your smartphone. And from here, you will be able to check the warranty start date or the activation time of your smartphone. And as you can see, the warranty start date of our smartphone is the 13th of August 2025. And the warranty end date is usually an year after the warranty start date. In our case, the warranty end date will be 13th of August 2026. And this is how you can check the warranty on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.